The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is a mid-range smartphone that offers a premium design and a solid set of features at an affordable price. It's a great option for those who want a reliable and stylish phone without breaking the bank. Here's a closer look at what the A55 5G has to offer. Design and display. The A55 5G boasts a sleek and modern design with a flat-edged aluminum frame and a glass back. It's available in a variety of colors, including awesome black, awesome white, and awesome violet. The phone feels sturdy and well-built, with a premium feel that belies its mid-range price tag. The A55 5G sports a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. The display is bright and vibrant, with excellent viewing angles and deep blacks. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations buttery smooth. Camera. The A55 5G features a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP depth sensor. The main camera takes excellent photos in good lighting conditions, with plenty of detail and accurate colors. The ultra-wide lens is also impressive, capturing wide-angle shots with minimal distortion. The depth sensor helps to create a natural bokeh effect in portrait mode. The front-facing camera is a 32MP sensor that takes sharp and detailed selfies. It also supports portrait mode, which can be used to blur the background and create a more professional-looking shot. Software and performance. The A55 5G runs on Samsung's One UI 5.1, which is based on Android 13. The interface is clean and intuitive, with a range of customization options. The phone is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, which is a mid-range processor that offers solid performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. It comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which can be expanded via microSD card slot. The A55 5G is a capable performer, able to handle most tasks with ease. It can handle demanding games like Genshin Impact, but you may need to lower the graphics settings to achieve smooth gameplay. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, which allows for faster download and upload speeds. Battery life. The A55 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which provides excellent battery life. It can easily last a full day of moderate use, and even 2 days with light use. The phone also supports 25 watts fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes. Connectivity. The A55 5G supports a wide range of connectivity options, including 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS. It also has a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is an excellent mid-range smartphone that offers a premium design, a solid set of features, and excellent battery life. It's a great choice for those who want a reliable and stylish phone without breaking the bank. However, the camera performance could be improved, especially in low light conditions. Overall, the A55 5G is a well-rounded device that is worth considering if you're in the market for a new mid-range smartphone.